How to start a YouTube channel in 2025. Hey everyone, today we're gonna talk about how can you start a YouTube channel in 2025. We're gonna talk about equipment, strategy, and everything you need to know. Start a YouTube channel but feeling you overwhelmed. Don't worry, in this video I'm gonna break down everything you need to know, even if you start from the zero. Let's talk about it. Choose your niche. Instead of banging a general lifestyle channel, choose something more specifically, for example, plants, cameras, tech, tripods, film, this kind of thing. Go for something more specifically. For example, let's talk about dogs. How you care about your dog, which kind of food you choose for your dog, how you walk with your dog, which kind of treatment you have for your dog, or general animals. For example, if you like to talk about a YouTube channel, write down a script, talk about that. Which kind of strategy you have to do, how you choose your next video, which kind of equipment you use for making your video, which kind of cameras, which kind of microphones, which kind of tripods, lights, and everything. This is something more specifically. Now let's talk about equipment. Good news, you don't need something more expensive to make a video. Just a phone in your hands is enough to make a good video and edit for, I don't know, CapCut, InShot, or DaVinci Resolve, or a Premiere Pro, doesn't matter. Or something more simple. A smartphone with a good camera, light from window. Just take your phone, put it on the tripod and talk about it. Talk for the camera. And think you talk about something as a person to person. So this is good strategy actually. And now let's talk about content and strategy. Actually, the consistency is the key from the YouTube channel. If you post a video 1 time per week, or 2 times per week, or 3 or 4, doesn't matter, but keep your channel running. Otherwise, the YouTube is gonna understand, okay, this channel is not so good, so why should I show for another person? Consistency is a key to growing YouTube channel. And to run a YouTube channel, to be honest with you guys, I have another YouTube channel, but I speak in Portuguese over there. And I always use a good video, a good thumbnail, a good strategy actually, and I write down everything I have to talk about it. Otherwise, you're gonna be lost. It's really important to mention you have so many keys inside of YouTube Studio, so you can use them for create shorts and engage with your audience or whatever. And yeah. This is the key. I think consistency is the key to running a YouTube channel. Doesn't matter if it's 2024, 2025, 2026, but this is the point. Once you promise for your audience, you're gonna post every week, and you have to post every week. Actually, if you fall down in this promise, this is gonna be a problem for you in the future, because you have to post 1 time per week, and the people's gonna waiting for that. Just choose something nice, talk about it, and post. Don't have to be so fancy editing, don't have to be so brutal, perfect, because to be honest, nobody's perfect in this world, so you're gonna make mistakes and don't worry about it. Just run through, just go for it, move on, and focus on that. CAO and optimization. Here I have 4 points I would like to talk about it. Choose a really nice, a good title for a video, something catching, something to make a hook for a person to, okay, let's check it out. And another thing really important is the thumbnail. People's visual. So if your thumbnail is nice, people's gonna look for it and say, oh, interesting video, so let's check it out. And it's gonna click your link and let's see what happens. Description is really important to make a good description, because the YouTube is gonna understand, okay, this is really nice building video, so let's talk about this, and then push for the audience. Another thing really important is the tags. So it's really important to put the tags in over there and talk, okay, what is the tags? Tags is like a keyword. So for example, if I talk about camera, I'm gonna put the keywords over there, the tag, camera, lens, talk about camera, technology or whatever, something in this niche. Look for a collaboration or something to make a good videos with another person's, with somebody who's already on the YouTube or on your niche, and look for this kind of thing, because it's a really good opportunity to increase your YouTube channel. And remember, every successful YouTuber is at for the same point which you are right now. So don't be scared, don't be mad, don't be disappointed. This takes time. So this was the video. Click the button down below and subscribe on my channel and wait for the next content. I will be really glad if you make a good comment in here. What is missing, what do you think, and your opinion is really important for me. So, yep, see ya.